and ask you to match the image with correct phase in meiosis II. But to make this more understandable, I'm going to start with meiosis I, but very quickly. So let's say you start out with 2 pair of homologous chromosomes, black and red. So you can see each of them has 2. They basically carry the same allele, same length, centromere at the same position, same shape. So at the end of meiosis I, you actually separate the homologous chromosome. So the black and red, the assortment is going to be random. But the bottom line is black separate from red. So the big black assorted with small black chromosome, big red, small red, or big black with small red and big red with small black. So this is a random chance. So you can see this is the end of meiosis I.